Tuloy-tuloy ang ating Cavite Challenge. From the historic town of Rosario, narito naman tayo sa isa sa pinakamabilis umunlad na bayan sa buong Cavite. Welcome to Tanza, Cavite. Sa unang tingin, baka isipin mong isa lamang itong ordinaryong residential town. Pero alam nyo ba, ang Tanza ay dating tinawag na Santa Cruz de Malabon. Isa sa pinakamatandang bayan sa Cavite na may mahalagang papel noong panahon ng mga Kastila at Rebolusyon. Ngayon naman, isa na ito sa pinakamabilis umunlad residential, commercial at industrial municipalities sa Calabarzon. Samahan niyo ako habang tuklasin natin ang makulay na kasaysayan at mabilis na pag-unlad ng Tanza.
Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin.
Ang 15 minutes, we don't have 15 minutes. Hindi ko maintindihan na cut off siya ng ano. Our next destination, teka natin, mapa natin. Ay, nabuhayan ako dun ah. Rosario to Tanza. So Tanza tapos Gentry. Palayo na tayo, Sunny. Kailangan natin ng coffee dito talaga.
Okay, marami tayong madadaanan.
Tanza Municipal Hall. Yan, A. Soriano. Malapit sa... Malapit ito! Malapit 10 minutes! Turn left. O, pa, di ba? This is 7th na. So, out of 24, we are 1/3 na. Okay? Bubuhay-buhayan. Time check, it's 1:08. Wala pa tayong 50% sa travel natin or sa trip natin. Pero that's just progress. It's 9 minutes. So we are currently leaving the vicinity ng Noveleta. And to our next, sorry, hindi pala Noveleta, Rosario. Rosario, Cavite. Our next stop is Tanza. Bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, ito na muna ang Quick History ng Tanza, Cavite. Tanza is located on the northwestern coast of Cavite Province, approximately 35 kilometers from Kilometer 0 at Luneta Park. Travel time is usually 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the traffic via Cavitex or Antero Soriano Highway. Its strategic location makes it one of the main gateways to Western Cavite in the rapidly developing industrial corridor of the province. Tanza is bordered by Rosario to the north, General Trias to the east, Naik to the southwest, and Manila Bay to the west. Its coastline has a long supported fishing communities, while its inland areas have become home to the large residential developments and industrial estates. Long before it was called Tanza, the town was known as Santa Cruz de Malabon. It was founded in 1760, ganun na siya katagal, as a separate municipality after being carved out of San Francisco de Malabon, now known as General Trias. During the Spanish colonial era, the town became an important agricultural and fishing community. It also witnessed events related to the Philippine Revolution, as Cavite became center of revolutionary activities against Spain. In 1914, during the American period, the municipality officially adopted the shorter name ng Tanza. The town was formerly known as Santa Cruz de Malabon. The name Tanza is believed to have been derived from the Spanish word tanza, referring to the fishing line or cord, reflecting on the town's long-standing connection to fishing and Manila Bay. When the American government encouraged shorter Filipino place names, the municipality officially adopted Tanza in 1914. Today, Tanza is home to more than 340,000 residents, making it one of the most populous municipalities in the Philippines. Its rapid population growth has been driven by new housing developments and proximity to Metro Manila. Tanza covers approximately 95 square kilometers. To put into perspective, it is more than 4 times larger than Kawit, nearly 12 times larger than Rosario, slightly larger than the entire city of Parañaque in Metro Manila. This expansive area allows room for agriculture, industry, residential communities, and coastal ecosystem. Tanza is composed of 41 barangays, ranging from historic poblacion communities to rapidly growing suburban village. Places to visit: Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Holy Cross, one of the oldest church in Cavite, dating back to the Spanish colonial period. Tanza Municipal Hall, as one of our official checkpoint for the Cavite Challenge. Meron din ditong SM City Tanza, one of the municipality's modern commercial landmarks serving Western Cavite. Meron din ditong Tanza Coastal Road, a relaxing drive with scenic views of Manila Bay, especially during sunset. Makisaya din tayo sa Lohitor Festival. This is one of Tanza's most unique festivals, featuring Lo as lobo, the traditional hot air balloons, Higantes, giant paper-mache figures, and Toro, decorated bulls. Kaya tinawag na Lohitor Festival. Fun facts about Tanza: alam nyo ba na dito ginanap ang oath of office ni Emilio Aguinaldo? Noong March 23, 1897, naganap ang Aguinaldo's oath-taking for our revolutionary government. The municipality is home to the Cavite Gateway Terminal, the Philippines' first container barge terminal, helping decongest the Port of Manila and strengthening logistics in Luzon. Tanza's long coastline along Manila Bay continues to support fishing communities despite rapid urban growth, and it is among the largest and fastest growing municipalities in Cavite, fueled by housing, commercial, and industrial developments. Mula sa pagiging tahimik na bayan, kilala bilang Santa Cruz de Malabon, ang Tanza ngayon ay isa na sa pinakamabilis umunlad na bayan sa buong Cavite. Isang lugar kung saan nagsasama ang kasaysayan, kultura, kabuhayan at modernong pag-unlad. Okay, so this is the first time sa anin na nakadaan ako ng Rosario. And first time ko makita ang SM City Rosario. May branch tayo dyan sa loob. SM City Rosario. Malaki din. Parang naga lang din. Okay. See, first time. Hindi natin masyadong nadadaanan to. It's because no? Doon tayo sa may main road. Oo, yung mahaba, yung 6 lanes. Uy, dito pala yung Cavite Economic Zone. Oh, okay. Kaya din pala progressive. So nasa siya? Nasa Rosario. Talong. Alright mga pards, umikot pa tayo ng umikot. Dito lang palang Municipal Hall. Nasa highway lang eh. Ayan o. So tara. Ayan. Thumbnail tayo. So that was very quick. 10 minutes away. Mas mabilis pa compared dun sa dinaanan natin from Noveleta, Cavite, or yung mga previous natin napuntahan. This was just 10 minutes. Iisip si Chong. So malapit na, konti na lang, pakita tayo ng bundok. So stay tuned lang mga parts sa mga susunod na episodes natin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.